Hello everyone, it's Monica and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm coming with a project share. I've done this mini folio for Craft O'Clock YouTube channel and I'm going to only show you the project on my channel, and when you go to Craft O'Clock YouTube channel you will be able to see step-by-step tutorial how I created it. So at the end of the video you will see the link, so please go over to YouTube channel for Craft O'Clock brand and then leave me a comment and tell me how do you like, or maybe you don't like this project at all. So I'm looking forward to read your comments on the Craft O'Clock YouTube channel, and thank you so much because some of you already seen that video and commented under that video, so thank you so much for doing that. So let me show you the collection. So I used Age of Mysteries collection and other elements from that collection, elements for fussy cutting, as you will see, because this folio has a lot of ephemera pieces which I cut out from the collection and I put them into that mini folio. So front cover has a lot of elements which I fussy cut and I stuck them on foam pads to raise this beautiful front cover, and I added this border punch. I added some texture by adding some scissor, and I added that paper clip from Timmy Holtz. So I really like this collection. It's a really nice vintage collection, and for masculine projects it's just perfect. So the first page has a pocket across, which I added another layer and I distressed the edges and I created false stitching. Everything you will see on that video tutorial I'm going to link at the end of this video, and some ephemera pieces. I've got a few cards. Of course I could add some more if I want to, some elements you could use, and I added this banner and I used my stapler to attach it. I didn't glue it, I just did it this way. I found it really nice. You can actually remove that and use any side of that card. And then there is this fantastic element of this like a pocket. And what I did, I cut out, because it's on one sheet and you have to cut it out. I distressed the edges and I cut out those slits to put the ephemera pieces. So we've got some elements you could use, so the person who's going to receive that mini folio will be able to use those. So lots of elements tucked inside this. And those pockets can be deep or a bit more shallow. It depends on what you want. So there are lots of elements in those pockets. So that's pocket number 2, page number 2, and inside I created this pocket for a little message you can write over here. As you can see, I used distressed ink to highlight the edges, and the other side is like this, really pretty with the armchair. So that's another thing in my flip book. It's like a pocket. And then next page has this beautiful armchair with some glasses, with a suitcase, and another banner which I used a staple to attach it to that page. And the last page has another pocket across with a glass with cards, with chips, and those lovely cards and pieces of paper. It can be used for anything. So, and there's a tag as well, and those ephemera pieces. So that's my project for Craft O'Clock YouTube channel, which you're going to see on Craft O'Clock page and on social medias. And of course, if you want to see the tutorial, head over to Craft O'Clock YouTube channel, which I'm going to link somewhere on the top. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this project. I hope you like the collection, because this collection can be it is actually available in the UK, and I think That's crafty.co.uk has a lot of craft o'clock scrapbooking papers and other elements right now on sale. So if you want to see other collections by Craft O'Clock, head over to that's crafty.co.uk. So thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely afternoon, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.